The cybersecurity conference exceeded my expectation, especially with the focus on cyber threats and hands-on the demonstration. It was both on informative and engaging.
I am Yash Dhananjay Bhosle from PG Department of Cybersecurity. We mention our deep appreciation for speakers, those who shared with us some of the best practices on cybersecurity and digital forensic. We all are inspired by great words from the speakers, and we are very thankful to AJK College of Arts and Science and for giving us the great opportunity.
The cybersecurity conference offered a valuable insight from knowledgeable speakers, and I am sure that will help to improve my skills.
I am Shivaramakrishnan from the Department of Digital and Cyber Forensic Science. This national conference on cyber security and digital forensics has given the enough experience on digital forensics investigation method. And also I am very glad to attend this event, and I am very thankful for my department and also for the college. Thank you.